In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice in Odoo. Now, the first thing you want to do when you open their official website, you want to sign into your account. And when you do that, you want to go to Apps up top. And from here, under Finance, you can see Invoicing. So you want to click on Invoicing. And the first thing you have to do here, you want to click on Start Now. It's free. And from here, you'll see you have to put in a bit of your information. So there's going to be a few things required over here, such as your first and last name, your company name, which I'm going to put as instant how to here. And then here you can also put the email, country, company size, your phone number, language, and then here your primary interest. Okay. So I'm going to do using my company and I'm going to click on start now. Now, when you do this, it's going to start loading for a few seconds and you'll see this welcome to Odoo screen over here. And then you can just wait for a few seconds to actually, of course, for this to pass. Now, usually it takes like a few seconds for this to finish, and there we go. It's then going to redirect you over here inside your project, and here you can see invoicing, okay? So you want to click on invoicing, and when you do so here, you can see you have sales, purchases, bank, etc. Okay, so to actually be able to do this, you can see up top here you have like a bunch of different things. You have your dashboard, you have customers, vendors, reporting, and configuration. So if you want to create the invoice, you want to go to customers, hover over it, and click on invoices. In here, to actually create a new invoice, you want to go and click on a new top left, and from here you simply want to give it the number. So invoice number, by default it's going to be like this over here. Then you have to type in the customer, the invoice date, the due date, the journal, and then here of course the invoice lines where you can add different labels, prices, taxes, amounts, etc. Okay, so whenever you've done that, then you'll be able to basically post it whenever you fill it out, or save this as a message, or of course whatever you want to do. After this, click on the confirm button and see, right now I can't do it because of course there's nothing in here, but when there is, you'll be able to create a invoice just like this. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.